So far, we've been looking at inventory values to calculate average inventory and turnover. Now we're going to actually look at how to calculate inventory value. The first method we're going to explore is weighted average. For weighted average, the first thing you do is you multiply the number of items by the unit price for beginning inventory and all purchases. And you add up all of those. And then you want to add up the number of items for beginning inventory and all purchases. And then divide the result you have from step 2 by step 3. What that does is it gives you an average price for each of the items. And then you take that and multiply by the number of items currently in inventory to give you a total value of what's in inventory. So let's look at an example. So here we're given a table with beginning inventory and the purchases made in June, August, and then the current inventory. Now notice the current inventory doesn't have a value. That's what we need to figure out. Alright, so the way you read this is the beginning inventory. It says we have 25 units at $8. That means $8 for each unit. Alright, and then in June there was a purchase made of 15 units at $9. And then in August there was a purchase of 11 units at $10. And currently there's 20 units in inventory. So all of the others have been sold at this point. So if we follow through our steps, we're first going to multiply the number of items by the unit price. So beginning inventory, we take 25 units times $8 to get $200. And then in June, 15 times $9, $135. And in August, 11 times $10, you get $110. Right, so now we need to add up all three of those results. So 200 plus 135 plus 110 equals 445. Now if we add up the total number of items that were in beginning inventory and have purchased since then, if 25 plus 15 plus 11 is 51. So now I get an average price per unit. Take 445 divided by 51 and get $8.73. So what that's saying is that in inventory we're going to consider everything to be $8.73 per item. So then current inventory would be 20 units times the 873 to get a total value of $174.60 in inventory.